Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be playing with the most anticipated for me, the Fembot collection from Rem Beauty and Ariana Grande. I got the full set. It comes with 4 different items. It's got a Eclipse glow stick in Fembot. It's a multi-use highlighting stick that can be applied to the cheeks, eyes, or lips and add a glossy shine in duochrome iridescent Fembot effect. It's a glassy iridescent pink to blue shift. This magic multitasker adds instant high shine effects and is made with a clear base to maximize the duochrome effect. The shade Fembot catches the light, reflecting the perfectly unique tone for each wearer. Has hydration to the skin while leaving a comfortable feel. They're all in Fembot, so I'm not going to say it 4 times. It's the glow stick for the cheeks, glossy balm, plumping lip gloss. I have the other plumping glosses, but I don't have one in the little traditional juicy tube. And it also came with little pressed eyeshadow. It's so small. It's so cute. I love tiny things, so the packaging's a little plasticky, but I don't really care because you can't do anything with the packaging anyways. It's what's inside. So I think we're gonna start with the eyes first and try it out. I'm excited. It took a while to get here, but that's okay. But I was sick anyway. I've been having really bad nausea issues, so I wouldn't have wanted to play with it even if I wanted to, because I was down and out. It was taking me out. I was dead to the world. It was awful. I need to go to the doctor and figure it out, but once my insurance kicks in. Let's pin back those hairs so nothing gets in the way. Bows today. Let's zoom in on these peepers. I think I'm just gonna use a little flat shader brush and we're just gonna put it on. It's so pretty and mesmerizing. Sweet Dreams Powder Eyeshadow Singlet in Fembot is a vegan duochrome pressed powder eyeshadow that lays down high pigment, glossy looking shine in a warm, light reflecting shade. Has 0 fallout and you can use it as a topper or over any shadow or worn on its own. A nice velvety feel, and you can tap onto your lids with a finger or a brush for a silky pigment and otherworldly dimension. So far not much. Should I use the tiny mirror? I don't want to. It's small. We're gonna use my opal mirror because it gives Ariana. Ooh. I can already tell you I like the pressed better than the liquid Fembot I have. I have it in the old formula, and I was not gonna buy the new one just because I already have the old one. I still like the old one. It's just it's the old formula, so it's a little crispier, a little crunchier, not as smooth as the new formula. Working good with the brush. Let's put it in the inner corner. Pretty. It's a really pretty topper, but also really beautiful as on my ambery eyes. Just really enhances the warmth. Stunning. I love it. Let's use our finger. It's creamy, but not too creamy. Feels like it'll, has a nice set down. Definitely still a powder though. Let's use our finger. Your finger obviously is gonna have a little bit more punch to it than a brush. Whoops, it's over my eyeliner. Do I look like that little girl in that meme where she's got purple smeared all over her eyes? Maybe in a less hot mess way, but she's a queen, so I'll accept it. Here too. This color always reminds me of Xenon. Is that what she's called? I keep wanting to say Xenon Warrior Princess, but I mean the girl that was like Raven Simone and the other girl with the Y2K in space. That used to be my shit. I feel like stuff like that, when I rewatch it, it's just not as good. I watched Life Size the other day and I was just like, it was good. Definitely still good. Not as good as I remember. But I don't feel like she would disappoint. Absolutely gorgeous. I will be wearing this to work tomorrow. Now that I can go back to work not feeling like I'm gonna throw up on everyone. I always feel bad calling off. Is that just me? I don't think it is just me because I Googled a lot to make myself feel better for calling off. Absolutely stunning. No notes. I knew I'd like it. Pretty. So let's do the cheek stick next. It's so pretty. It's in the classic little tube, which I think looks like a little, I'm not gonna say it, but it also looks like a little spaceship or a little rocket. I did my foundation, which is the Rem Beauty with the Aura Low Drops underneath, and then I just powdered. They don't have a powder yet, so I just used my own and I contoured. I'm gonna put it on my fingers because I just feel like I'll get the better method that way. Oh yes, because sometimes I feel like stick products can get a little, it can like drag your base, and I don't want that. This is definitely a glossier formula, I feel like, than the cheek sticks, which makes sense because it's a highlighter, not a blush. Let's put it up here too. Let's put it, just drag it. That's better. There we go. Stunning. It's like extraterrestrial glow. Fembots always obviously remind me of Austin Powers. Also used to be my shit. Still is my shit. I love Austin Power movies. I'm assuming that's what it's referencing because she did dress up as it in 34 plus 35. I don't know, math, which is funny because I work at a credit union. Pretty. Honestly, a lot more subtle than I thought it would be, but maybe it's just the lighting. Let's put it here too. Oh, so cute. I don't have any blush on, so maybe I'll put that on after. Let's put our flash on so you can really see those sparkles. It's a very glossy formula. I have a feeling it won't set down, but that's okay. They should come out, which I guess you could just use this as a highlighter too. Do we dare? I'm just gonna tap my finger. Just gradually go over it. Is that a bad idea? Do I look like I got punched? Just add a little bit more pigment. Stunning. I do feel like it kind of removed my face a little because it's so glossy, but I can fix that. It probably doesn't help that I did powder. I did try to avoid this area, but I think if I hadn't powdered, it probably would have been less, you know, patchy. Not that it was patchy, it's just creating a weirdness here with my contour. We're gonna go in first with the plumping gloss, which is the On Your Collar Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Fembot, obviously, a new and improved formula in the best-selling shade Fembot that delivers a triple plump actives for instantly fuller lips and nourishing hydration. It's a mauve tone pink to an iridescent pink and blue flip. Because I've never, it does remind me of the same formula scent as the other one in the thicker packaging. I like this one better though. It's easier to get out. Oh, this guy is killing me. Stunning. It's so pretty. Has a bit of a spice because it is a plumping gloss. The other ones in the thicker packaging too have a plumping quality. I feel like those ones are a little more spicy. Wow. It's like a very kissed me. I would say out of a level out of 5 Ariana's spice level, I would give it like a 2 out of 5 spicy. So if you're afraid of a burning sensation, yeah, 2 out of 5. Okay, I added the Eclipse blush and lipstick in a matinee to it, and I love the combo. It really helps blend in that highlighter. Might add a little more. Do this at the same time. It would look really pretty. It did give a pinker tint. I think it's just from the irritation of the spiciness. It's the same Essential Drip Glossy Balm, a nourishing lip treatment that doubles as a high shine tinted gloss, but in the Fembot shade. So it's like multi-dimensional, that same mauve, pink to blue flip with the mega sparkles. So beautiful. I just love staring at it in the sunshine. Look at that. So let's put the Glossy Balm on. This won't have any spicy. This is probably their most like popular item, I feel like. And I really like it too. I have a lot of them. Beautiful cupcakey scent that they have. I love how cushiony these are. I literally was saying this in one of my older videos that they should come out with a sparkly version. And then they did. And the Fembot. So I feel like, hire me, Ram Beauty. I have way too many ideas in my head for a million different things, but nowhere to put them. And I have ideas for your brand. Helps cool down that spice level. Let's put that blush on so you can see the sparkle. I don't know how different it's gonna look because they're all the same pigment that they're putting in the formula. I kind of want to put a lip liner on and then put one of those on to make a cute little lip combo. So I'm going to take this off and I'll be right back. We're going to do Lyrics from Ram Beauty. I like their shade IQ the most. Let's zoom in on those lippies. This formula isn't my favorite anymore. They need to add a little more creaminess to it. It's got good longevity. So it has that. It's a little stickier than I remember. Okay, should we do Glossy Balm or the other one? I think I might do the plumping one. Spicy. We'll put Glossy Balm too. Why not? Is this giving 2016 lip? I think the trio is worth it personally. I mean, if you're a Ram Beauty obsessed person like me, you're gonna love it. I don't know. I like it all. This did give me some issues with separation, but I think once I put the blush on, it fixed it. So I could just do it at the same time. Put the blush and the balm on my hand, rub it into my brush, and then apply it. And I think that would look absolutely gorgeous because Matinee and Fembot look really pretty together. I'm gonna give this 2 thumbs up. Hopefully they'll keep coming out with sparkly additions. I have a feeling for Christmas they could come out with, like, imagine Starlit, the Starlit liquid shadow, like the horoscope one, and this. I think that would be really pretty. I'm curious to see if they'll do a Wicked Part 2 collection. They probably will. Get your beepers ready to see that. I'm always going to recommend the Glossy Balms. They're just great to put in your purse on the go, and I feel like this is a good one where you can apply it and you won't have to really worry about it because it's a glitter. It's not like a color, you know. I also hope that they come out with a pumped up version of the other Glossy Balms where it's got a little bit more pigment into it. I like them the way they are, but I know some people want a little bit more pigment in their gloss. I kind of want to just swatch it on my hand so you can see it. Ooh. Glossy. It's just a like dewier, softer version. Less pigment, a little bit more slip in there. Still really pretty though. I was trying to recreate her photo shoot with the blue light. I feel like it turned out pretty good and mega sparkly. So enjoy this little montage of me in blue light in my bathroom looking extra sparkly. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Say something nice in the comments, and don't forget to have a beautiful day or night wherever you are.